Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to adjust your steering wheel and your mirrors in your Rivian R1S or R1T. So that tutorial is coming up. So let's just say you just got your new Rivian and you don't know how to adjust your wheel, or you want to make some adjustments to your wheel and your mirror. So what you want to do is go down to the car button here. If it's not on the screen here, it'll be in the dots. So you just hit the dots and then you would look for the vehicle icon and you would hit it. And then this screen would come up. And then all you need to do is go over to here to adjust wheel and mirrors. So if we do the steering wheel, if you hit that, then all you need to do is you can adjust the reach on the left side and the height on the right side. And so basically if you do this one, if you roll the roller up, it'll bring the steering wheel back, so farther away. And then if you roll it down, it'll bring the steering wheel closer towards you. And then for the height on the right side, if you roll it up, it obviously is going to make the steering wheel go higher. And if you roll it down, it'll make the steering wheel go lower. And that's all you need to do for the steering wheel. If we go to side mirrors here, it's left and right. So it's going to be the roller and the actual toggle buttons on the left and right. So pretty self-explanatory. You roll it up, it's going to move the mirror up. Roll it down, it's going to move the mirror down. And then push the toggle buttons. Left is going to move the mirror to the left, and then push it to the right, and it's going to move the mirror to the right. So that's how you adjust the wheel and the mirrors. One other thing, when you're doing the adjusting of your wheel and your mirrors, once you've got your adjustments and you like it, make sure to hit remember on your profile, and that way when you get into the car and it knows it's your profile, that it basically will, come back up to those adjustments that you have. Because if you don't hit remember, it's just going to be like you're doing it one time instead of adjusting it. You're doing it for a one-off instead of adjusting it for one time. So every time you get in the car, it's good to go. So keep that in mind as well. And, that's basically it. So hope that helped you.